Automate checklist delivery. Automating checklist delivery saves time during tax season and ensures clients receive document requests at exactly the right stage of your workflow. Document checklists are personalized for each client, so you'll create them manually. However, once created, you can automate their delivery through your pipeline using an organizer template. During the off-season, create checklists in advance for your client accounts. Filter your account list by checklist. Not created to display only accounts that need checklists, making it easy to prepare for the upcoming tax season. Next, open the organizer template and enable the checklist for it. Now you're ready to set up the automation. Open your pipeline and navigate to the stage where you want to send the organizer. Add automation, then choose your organizer template with the checklist enabled. You can see if your selected template has the checklist attached. Toggle on Auto-Move Jobs for this stage. This ensures the job automatically moves to the next stage once the client completes all checklist and questionnaire items. Now, let's test how it works. Let's move the job to the organizer stage. As we can see from the client view, the organizer with the checklist is automatically sent to the client. After sending, verify that all checklists contain items. If any empty checklists appear, add the required documents. They are instantly visible from the client side. You can track client progress directly from the job card. You can even see which specific documents are missing, giving you immediate visibility into what your clients still need to provide. If you need to proceed with tax preparation before the client finishes, you can move the job manually by dragging it to the next stage, and you can choose the Resolve option to handle unfinished elements.